Your brain, after true trauma, doesn't just remember the event, it rebuilds itself to expect the next one. It transforms from a protector to a perpetually hypervigilant sentinel, forever trapped in a future that already happened. This isn't merely about emotional scars or haunting memories. It's about a fundamental, physical restructuring of your mind's architecture. Trauma acts as a primal override, a survival mechanism so powerful it carves new pathways, redirecting the very flow of your consciousness. It's a biological sacrifice, exchanging the possibility of peace for an exhausting, never-ending state of hyper-readiness. Imagine living with an internal alarm system stuck permanently on red alert, even when no danger is present. Every sudden noise becomes a potential threat, every casual touch a jolt of anxiety, and silence itself feels like a deceptive lull before a storm. The world becomes a minefield, and you, the unwitting explorer, are constantly braced for an explosion that may never come. Sleep offers no true escape, plagued by nightmares or the shallow vigilance of a mind that refuses to rest. Relationships falter under the weight of an invisible shield, trust erodes, and the simple act of existing can feel like an exhausting, solitary war. Deep within your skull, the brain's ancient fear center, the amygdala, becomes supersized, perpetually firing signals of imminent danger. Its partner, the hippocampus, responsible for placing memories in context, shrinks, leaving fragments of terror instead of cohesive, resolved narratives. Meanwhile, your prefrontal cortex, the brain's CEO for logic, planning, and emotional regulation, goes quiet, unable to rein in the relentless panic. This isn't a malfunction, it's a neural hijacking, a survival adaptation prioritizing raw, instantaneous response over rational thought, turning fleeting moments into timeless threats. The stress hormones flood your system, eroding connections, making it harder to learn safety, and effectively trapping you in a physiological loop of past terror. The profound truth is, you can't simply unsee or unfeel what happened. Healing isn't about forgetting, it's about courageously reintegrating. It's about actively carving new, stronger neural pathways that contradict the old ones, gently but firmly proving to your archaic brain that present safety is real. This involves carefully revisiting the stored terror within a controlled, safe environment, not to re-experience it traumatically, but to reprocess it with new information of survival and resolution. Techniques that gently reconnect the body and mind, that build new narratives of resilience, and re-establish genuine, safe human connection are the true architects of this powerful rewiring. It's a deliberate journey of demonstrating to your nervous system that the threat is over, allowing it to finally stand down and begin to trust again. Your brain is not irrevocably broken or permanently scarred. It is exquisitely adaptable, possessing an innate capacity for repair and profound change. The very power that trapped you can be harnessed to liberate you, forging a future not dictated by a traumatic past, but built on the resilient and powerful present. Follow Cortex Unveiled for more hidden psychology.